Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another buying $1 of Bitcoin everyday update. Today is day number 1,550 in a row. We've got a lot of topics and updates to talk about today. First, real quick, let's check in on my balance. So I have 0.1116 Bitcoin in my wallet after this many days. I also have some over here on the Strike app. You can see I have about $16, $17 here. So let's go ahead and buy today's Bitcoin. Tap buy, tap $1, tap next, confirm. Just like that, I've purchased one more dollar of Bitcoin. Bitcoin current price, $28,240 by the way. Now let's go ahead and send this Bitcoin over to my wallet. Tap the send arrow in the top right corner. I've already copied my Bitcoin address. So I'm gonna tap paste on the bottom of the screen. And then I'm going to tap max. This is going to send my full balance and confirm. Just like that, it's on its way over to my wallet. So I purchased Bitcoin here on the Strike app. Then I just transfer it over to my main wallet for this experiment. That's going to be the best way to do things if you're using apps like this. Purchase it on the app and then send it over to a more secure cold storage wallet. So while we're waiting for that transfer to go through, we're going to check out some other stuff that's going on in the crypto world. So all the rage right now is the meme coins, Pepe being the main one. This is a token on Ethereum. It's got some traction. It's gone up crazy amounts. I don't participate in meme coins like this. It's just kind of like gambling. There's no actual development. There's no innovation. They're all the same. Like Pepe is the same as SHIB. It just has a different token supply and allocation, you know. They're just tokens with a lot of tokens. So I don't get into these. It's a good way to lose your money if you're buying into the hype. You can also go to the Pepe website. Scroll down. Pepe is a meme coin with no intrinsic value or expectation of financial return. There is no formal team or roadmap. The coin is completely useless and for entertainment purposes only. So that right there should tell you, like, should I be putting my money into this? Probably not. And it's crazy because I see pretty much my whole Twitter timeline chasing these things. Just a weird phenomenon. This is a pretty cool chart that I found. This is Bitcoin exchange balance. So this is all of the Bitcoin on exchanges. So, you know, people go to exchanges to purchase Bitcoin, and there's going to be so much available on there for purchase. And if there's more available for purchase, probably results in a lower price. And what we've seen here over time, this blue line, people put more and more Bitcoin on the exchanges for sale. This kind of topped out around 2020, and it's been going down ever since. From all-time highs, it's down about 28%. I also tweeted this too, so you can check me out here on Twitter if you want to get some insightful tweets. But basically the amount of Bitcoin available for people to purchase on exchanges is going down. So that's a good thing for Bitcoin. If you're in Bitcoin, that should be something that you like to see. About a quarter of the supply removed from exchanges, no longer available for sale there, making it more rare, more scarce, all the things we like. Moving on to addresses with a balance of 1 Bitcoin or more. This yellow line continues to climb to new all-time highs, approaching 1 million addresses. We're currently at 995,430 addresses. So soon we should hit that 1 million mark. That's a pretty crazy metric. Alright, so we've got my transaction coming through. You can see this one is still unconfirmed, pending, but it is showing up in my balance here. So we can go ahead and do the math on my experiment so far. I now have 0.11224 Bitcoin in my balance, which is about $3,175. So now we can go ahead and do the math on this. $3,175 divided by 1,550 days equals a 2.04x on my investment. So overall, dollar cost averaging $1 per day, low stress. Pretty much anybody can afford this. I've been able to more than double my money. Let's go ahead and do the dollar gain. $3,175 minus 1,550 days equals $1,625 gained. Not bad, can't complain about that. Looking forward to continue on with this experiment in crypto. Lots of great, innovative, exciting projects coming out right now. I've been posting about them on my YouTube channel, so be sure to subscribe if you're interested in that and learning more, or go ahead and follow me here on Twitter. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.